I don't know any of the music.
I don't know about this, Mr. Krabs. That sounds a little like human trafficking.
Money, 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 money.
Yeah, you're right. It would be weird for a human to be a traffic cop underwater.
Hey, buddy, can you hurry this up? I'm trying to get to my job. Alright, I don't have a job.
What's that sound? Thing was coming from up here and... Hey, SpongeBob. I didn't know you guys were up here.
What's up, SpongeBob?
Hi, Tails.
This baby's autopilot needs to be tested. Wanna come with?
Sure.
A few moments later.
Let's set sail. Picking up a bit of wind here, guys. Come on, SpongeBob. I'll give you the tour. This is the captain's quarters, SpongeBob. Here, I'll let you play on my game. Ooh, so close. This is the disco floor. And that's the end. It's okay, though. I only spent $800,000 on this. Uh-oh. Aw, shoot. Ah! Tails! All right, time for the big guns. Karate! Whoa! Oh no! Hey, SpongeBob. Initiate launch sequence. Beep boop. Yes! Tails, we did it! We sure did, SpongeBob. We sure did. Full speed ahead. We're finally back home. Good thing I know how to swim, unlike some people. Oh, come on, Tails. Let's eat. Nope.